last day before our stay-at-home order went into effect. Mark bought his deep fryer. I hate these things, but he's been wanting it for years, since the last one died. So me, I was more into, hey, I found freezer paper. I've been looking everywhere for freezer paper. It isn't the white one, but it is freezer paper, and I wanted it to be able to line the soap box, since I will be doing a soap video very soon. And last but not least, we really like that little skillet from Lodge that we found at the thrift shops, the ProLogic series. It's got a different handle, and it's more gentle, round curve there. I liked it so much we decided to buy a new one, the larger size. The one I found at the thrift shop was a 10-inch. This one is a 12-inch. And of course, couldn't resist when we saw this one as well. Another 12-inch grill type ProLogic Lodge cast iron fry pan. So that's it before we have to deal with a stay-at-home order. Oh, and I do have a few shots of more canning supplies at the Walmart where Mark bought his deep fryer. I bought both these cast iron and my freezer paper from a kitchen supply place. Well, from a commercial kitchen supply place of all places. Okay, that's it. And of course, what is a trip to Walmart without checking out the canning section? And they seem to be fairly well stocked up. So just a little video to show you where they sit the stock today. And of course, this is the last day before our lockdown, so this stuff is going to sit there for at least a month. Nobody will be able to buy any of this. They've actually locked down the Costco and the Walmarts now so that they can only sell food and essential items, which is only fair. So this stuff is going to sit for a long time. Okay, at this point, Ontario is under lockdown, stay-at-home orders. So no shops will be able to sell anything. Even the big box stores are now forced to only offer food and essential items. They can no longer sell all their other stock. So the purchases that we made now are the final purchases that we can make until a month has passed. And we'll see what happens then. So food and essentials, as usual, will be available to everyone. So there's no panic required to buy food. Okay, it's all good.